I'm Asha Wadley, the founder of More Than Just Tuition and an economics tutor of 5 years. I have taught over 2,000 hours of one-to-one individualised tuition across the EMEA region, and my bachelor's degree is in economics and development from the University of Manchester. I started tutoring during my A-levels, where my high grades and my contribution to the economics department led a teacher to suggest that I started coaching other students in need. I managed to get 180 UCAS points for my A-levels, including 3 A stars. I've taught GCSE students all the way up to business owners. I've taught students who have been homeschooled and helped over 100 people with their education. More Than Just Tuition was founded with one goal in mind: to help students in more ways than just with their education. It dawned on me while pursuing my degree that the path to securing a graduate role or equivalent is brutal for the best of candidates and utterly demoralising for candidates that have weaker CVs. It can take as much as 9 months after university to secure a graduate role, and that's after sending out hundreds of applications. Students need to be integrating a focus on their early career with their academic pursuits earlier on in their education. This shouldn't be a daunting thing. With the right level of support, students can realise their academic goals, define their set of personal values in relation to what kind of career would be fulfilling and interesting for them to pursue, and therefore roles that align with who they are and what they want to do. By the time I had graduated, I had completed 4 internships, 5 different volunteering roles, 1 placement year, and 7 other different jobs unrelated to the aforementioned responsibilities, excluding the tutoring company that I had built from scratch. I had participated on a Black leadership program, worked for Barclays, in cryptocurrency, in project management, in fund management, a microfinance project in Uganda, and even for the University of Manchester itself during my degree. I'd even been invited to the House of Lords, accepted onto a leadership coaching program, and experienced free life coaching myself. I'd travelled to India, the Philippines, Uganda, Sri Lanka, the Maldives, and Portugal all on my own and self-funded. But I don't come from a rich family. Neither of my parents have ever worked in corporate, and my single-parent household received benefits when I was growing up. Yet at 22, my achievements are extensive, and I've even received offers from the Civil Service Internship Scheme and BNY Mellon. Also got into the final round in the recruitment process for internships with Siemens, EY, Samsung, Mizuho, Amex, and TD Securities. I clearly interview well and know how to find extracurricular and work experience opportunities, as my first internship was in college, and my first volunteering responsibility was when I was 14. I want to help others reach their goals and this be an easy and rewarding journey for them. But I haven't always been confident. I struggled a lot with my mental health growing up, and I was very, very shy and introverted. This is why when I talk about my achievements and how far I have come, I am boasting, because I've come a very long way. But I've had a lot of support. And the kind of support that facilitates this isn't only reserved for adults in a midlife crisis. It can start as early as high school and be life-changing. If we are deciding our paths, our careers, and our degrees as teenagers, shouldn't this be the point at which we receive coaching and support to give us the best clarity on how to move forward? I have a passion for uplifting, inspiring, and motivating people. I'm so lucky that this is becoming my full-time occupation. I'm on the path to becoming a certified life and progress coach. And I want to scale More Than Just Tuition to be able to offer formalized coaching and mentoring across multiple different subjects, so that starting an early career isn't daunting and is instead exciting, with students moving forward towards their futures with clarity and confidence, backed by excellent grades. Be part of our journey and let my team empower your child, or if you are the student watching this, please, I encourage you to book a free 20-minute consultation, and we will pair you with one of our passionate and dedicated tutors to help you realise your academic and professional goals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.